Hey, what are you guys doing here? Hey, did you know YouTube was here? What the hell is YouTube doing here? Oh, they're here every Wednesday. Oh, that's right. I'm usually drunk. That's why I couldn't remember. Apparently, I'm Sir Ricky Bobby, and this is Empires and Cocktails. Supposedly, if you want to watch cocktail tutorials every Wednesday, you need to like and subscribe. But hey, what would I know? I'm just the drunk host of a funny YouTube channel. This month, we're taking a look at after dinner drinks. A little something to help set the mood and take your mind off your gassy post-burrito stomachs. But first, we have something to celebrate. January is finally over. It's now February, meaning we're a little more than 1/12 of the way through 2021. Sounds like we need a victory shot. It's February. This is not the month to be breaking up with the love of your life. But if you do, don't do it via email or text. Be more classy than that. Do it Western Union. Send a telegraph. If said person who broke up happens to leave his bottle of Johnny Walker Blue, don't give it back. Because remember, Johnny Walker always provides the big oh my. Instead of a shot, it's going to be our first ever victory sip. Oh my. Does anybody have a cigarette? This week's cocktail is the Brandy Alexander. It is an evolution of the pre-prohibition cocktail, the Alexander. It originated in a New York lobster bar by a man named Troy Alexander while at a dinner celebrating a woman named Phoebe Snow. Now, Alexander was a real man, but Phoebe actually never existed. The slippery minx. She was a fictitious character, part of an advertising campaign for a railroad. How's about that? Just like the rest of American history. Some of the best things are born out of greed and bullcrap. 2 ounces of heavy cream. But first, Blue Label. Oh my, that never gets old. One ounce of dark cream to Cacao. But first, we have to have ourselves a sip. Johnny, you're more ready than the ever-ready bunny. Then we add 1.5 ounces of brandy or cognac. Cognac is brandy, it's just made in the Cognac region of France. But first, we're going to have another sip of Johnny Walker Blue. Oh my. If you like what you see here, you should subscribe. Add ice and shake the bejesus out of it. Dust your cocktail with nutmeg, but first we have to have the final sip. Oh my. that's a Brandy Alexander. Today's word of wisdom is Ming Che Di, a Chinese word for wise. You come to me every week searching for something. Wisdom? Perhaps. One wouldn't search for wisdom from a man who is baichi or an idiot. And yet, you're still here. Why? Why could this be? Maybe it's because I'm a Ming Che Di man. But then again, who is the real wise man? The one who offers and imparts knowledge, or the one who realizes where to go to get it? Perhaps you all have more Ming Che Di than I gave you credit for. Dust your cocktail with some freshly, I'm sorry. Dust your cocktail and then dust your cocktail with some nutmeg.